Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through pointing your own custom domain name directly to a website hosted on GitHub Pages. First, log into the dashboard of your domain registrar, whether that is GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains, and locate your advanced DNS zone manager settings. You need to create 4 separate A records pointing your root domain to GitHub's official server IP addresses, which are 185.199.108.153, 109.153, 110.153, and 111.153. Additionally, set up a CNAME record with the host set to www and the value pointing directly to your username.github.io. Next, jump over to your GitHub repository, click on the top Settings tab, and navigate straight to the Pages section from the left-hand menu panel. Scroll down to the Custom Domain text field, type in your exact personalized web address, and hit the Save button to generate a hidden CNAME file in your root directory. Wait a few minutes for DNS propagation. Check the box to enforce HTTPS for a secure connection, and your custom-branded website is officially live. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.